Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Now, today is kind of spontaneous. I was actually just like sitting on my porch, and I was like, you know what? I want to go thrifting. I want to make cool shirts into nothing for $3 because that's just who I am. I don't buy expensive stuff. I strictly only buy cheap stuff, so I thought I would do that today for you guys. So I'm sitting on my porch because it's really good lighting, and I'm letting my dog just like chill outside since she's like been inside all day. But yeah, so I think we're gonna thrift today, and yeah, that's pretty much it because I have a boring life and I have nothing else to do. And I've been trying to find more content to do, and this is the only thing that I've come up with so far. So comments would really help. Yeah, comments would really help. But anyways, I thought that I would go to Goodwill just because it's like the cheapest place in Spring Hill, which is where I live. And yeah, I thought I would just go to Spring Hill, Goodwill, and find a couple like cute t-shirts, like oversized, and crop them. Preferably long sleeve t-shirts since it's becoming fall more or less. So I bet you I won't find anything because Goodwill is always picked over because everybody just knows about it now. But yeah. Ellie! Hi, Ellie! Hi, baby. This is my dog, my pride and joy. Ellie, say hi to my subscribers. Say hi. Oh, she hates me. Like this video if you guys want to see a funny day in the life of Ellie Rodolphi because she's a funny dog and we do actually a lot of stuff together. So comment or like if you want to see that. Ellie, do you want to vlog? Okay, so here's my OOTD for today. I'm just wearing this like cropped LA shirt. This is kind of like the stuff that I'm kind of like hoping to find there. I just want like more crops, and then I just have these Lulu shorts on, and my Birks, and Ellie! And also, I totally forgot that I haven't even eaten any food today, so I'm gonna make a lunch real fast. And if you guys want to stay tuned, you can just like skip forward, or you can watch this part, but I'll probably just make a sandwich, so let's see how that goes. Guys, I'm so happy because I don't have to make lunch anymore because I just found this in my fridge that I bought the other day. It's this like naked banana strawberry banana smoothie that I think will fill me up, and I need to start eating more healthy. So yeah, my health streak didn't really last because I'm currently eating Taco Bell while I'm editing. So yeah. I'm just gonna grab this to go and drink it on the way. Taste test. Let's see. I've never tried one of these before. They're actually really good. Wow. And it's only 250 calories. Okay. 44 grams of sugar. 2 grams of protein. Shake well. And that's about it. You just drink it. So, guys, this is the best smoothie I've ever had in my life. The lighting is really bad. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna try and fix it. Okay, what about now? Oh yeah. Okay. Right here. I really like this naked smoothie a lot. Hashtag not ad. I'm just kidding. But I really like the strawberry banana, but I kind of want to try other ones because they have like a berry one. They have like 5 different flavors. I just feel so energized for the day now, even though I've taken like 2 sips. But anyways, we're on our way to Goodwill, and hopefully I'll find some stuff. I'm gonna try really hard to find stuff because usually I'm really picky when it comes to Goodwill. Like, I think something's cute and then 5 minutes later I put it back. But this time I'm just gonna like look for something, grab it, and like not doubt anything, because that's my biggest problem, is doubting myself. And so that's not gonna happen today, because we are going to be different, and we're going to have fun, and we're going to thrift, and we're gonna make cute outfits for $3 each. So if that isn't cool enough, then IDK, what is? All right, guys, we made it. Woo! Sorry, I gotta take my glasses off. So we're gonna go in there with an open mind. I'm mostly saying this for myself. I'm gonna go in there with an open mind. I want to pick stuff out that I normally wouldn't pick out, just because I'm like trying to like gravitate more on like hipster, like more like different type of looks. Just because like I'm just so tired of like wearing like, you know, like the average. So I'm gonna try and branch out as much as I can. No promises I actually will. No promises I'll even find anything in this Goodwill. And if it does, I'm gonna hate myself, because this video is just gonna become nothing, and I'm gonna have to think of something else to do for my video, and it's just gonna become cray cray. So yeah, let's hope there's stuff in there. That's all I gotta say. But before I wanted to go in there, I just wanted to touch up on my makeup school really fast. I went there last night, and like, I don't know, like something just like clicked for me last night, to where like I just knew that's what I wanted to do, and I was just really happy about that. So I thought I would share, because I've always been like on the fence about going to college and the makeup school. So like I always just told myself I would pursue makeup school and then like see where it went, and then like if I like didn't end up loving it, I would just like go back to college. But last night really opened my eyes, and like I guess like showed me that makeup is like what I want to pursue. So I'm really happy about that, and I hope you guys are happy too, because I'm a very like procrastinator. I'm a procrastinator, and I don't really know what I want until it's like too late. So I'm really happy that I figured it out sooner than later. All right, enough with the wishy-washy crap. We're gonna go into Goodwill. Here it is. Okay guys, so I found a total of 7 shirts. I don't think I'm gonna get all of them. I'm just gonna try them on and see how they look, and if I can like make anything out of them, because like most of these I'm just gonna crop or just like make cuter. So I found this Young and Reckless t-shirt, actually, like the brand that you get from PacSun. So I'm definitely gonna get this just because it's really comfy, and I could put it with anything. I might crop it, I don't know yet. Okay, so this is like a little like jersey material shirt, and I think I'm gonna crop it to like right here and like roll the sleeves up or cut the sleeves. I think it would be super cute. Okay, I know this looks really ugly right now, but if I played with it and maybe like cropped it or just like made it shorter to like be able to tuck into like jeans, I think this could be pretty cute, cause like I just love light pink. I love the turtleneck. It gives it a lot of what's it called? Style. And I didn't feel like trying this one on just because it's literally a t-shirt, but I'm also getting this shirt so I can like make something really cute into it. I have an idea that I saw on TikTok actually that I think I'm gonna do with this, because I just love the color of it, but it's just too simple for me, so I'm gonna change it. And so I'm just gonna get the 3 that I tried on for you guys also. These did not work out. No. All right, guys, so we're back in the car, and my total came out to $11. It's so cheap. And I know $11 is kind of a lot for Goodwill, but I bought a lot of like stuff that like was kind of like name brand, so it ended up being like $5 for each shirt, but like it's better than like $30 a shirt, you know? So I'm gonna head home, drink the rest of my smoothie, and get to cutting on the shirts. Let's go. Hey guys, so obviously it is not the day anymore. It is actually 11 p.m. and I was initially going to go ahead and do this part of the clip way before 11 p.m., like right after I got home from Goodwill, but I just got super busy and I ended up spending a lot of time with my family. So I'm just gonna do it right now because I just showered, guys. I know. I'm just like so ready for the video. But I'm just gonna do it right now. I'm not really a crafty person, so it's not gonna be anything like too like out there. It's just gonna be like a little crop and like maybe like cut off the sleeves or something to make it a tube top. But yeah, so if you want to keep watching, you can. Also, I was gonna say something else, but I forgot. So thank God for my ring light, because I used to like not even be able to shoot a YouTube video at night, but now that I have my ring light, I can. So I'm really thankful for that. And I was gonna also, I remember what I was gonna say. Whenever I put that thing about like what I should do for my next YouTube video, a lot of people said my skincare routine, but I already have a skincare routine video. So if you want to see like my updated version, because that was about like 6-7 months ago, which my like skin routine changes like literally like once every 6 months. So I actually do have a new skin routine. So if you guys like actually are interested in my skincare routine, I can definitely do a video on that. Just like it or comment on this video if you're interested, so I know who all is, because I only want to put out videos for you guys and what you guys want. So I could really use the help of what I should do next, what you guys want to see. And yeah, it's really late at night, so I'm just like really weird. I get really weird at night. Like, I'm a different person. And it's kind of scary. But we are gonna get on with the video. Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna start with like the easier pieces that I'm just gonna like literally cut off. I'm watching this back right now while I'm editing, and my butt thought that it was gonna be so easy to cut a shirt. Oh, you just wait, guys. You just wait. So I'm gonna go in with this shirt that I tried on for y'all earlier at Goodwill. It's just this like jersey like feeling shirt. It's a lot cuter in person. It looks so bland and boring, but here's the back too. Jersey materials. Like, you could actually wear this like a jersey out or whatever. This is gonna be very hard, okay. Oh, back here's a lot better lighting. Sorry, I look like I have like a weird thing on right now. I have on like this like really comfy like two-piece suit on that I wear to bed like every night. So we're just gonna put this on the ground. You can't even see it. Are you kidding me? So I'm just gonna literally take these fabric scissors slash haircut scissors. I don't really know if that's the same thing, but we're just gonna go with it. And I'm actually gonna put this in half so I can tell where the numbers are. And I'm just gonna make like a little tiny slit. I'm gonna come over here. I'm just gonna make a little tiny slit like where I want it to cut off. Oh, damn it. Okay. There we go. Just so it's like in the middle. Where did it go? I can't even see the slit. Oh, I see it now. Wait, no I don't. What the heck? You know what? This is a disaster. Okay, I'm back. We're just gonna... You know what? Wait, I gotta take a cute thumbnail. Ew, I'm so gross. Okay. This is really scary. Should I just do like... Oh my god, it won't even cut. How do people do this? Jesus. Okay. Here we go. Wait. So if you guys are wondering what I'm doing right now, I'm literally just cutting the front part, I guess. Like not like the front and the back part, just the front. And I'm just gonna be very sloppy right now, and because they're gonna frail up anyways. Like no matter what shirt you cut, it's just gonna end up frailing up and like balling up on the bottom. So it doesn't really matter if your lines are too straight. You just don't want them to be like janky looking, you know? Like how mine is looking right now. Wow, mine sucks. If only you guys could see my line right now. This is disgusting. Should I just quit? No, Sarah, you're not a quitter. You're not a quitter. Come on. Get it. Okay. I give up. This is probably the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. Okay, so I quit. I know you guys wanted to see a thrift store haul or whatever, but I'm just not that girl for you guys. Like, there are a million other thrift people out there. I am just not that person, guys, okay? This is a mess. I don't even know if I'm gonna post this. Wow, this is really embarrassing. I'm sorry, guys, but I'm just not a thrifter, and I'm a failure, and I suck. So, hey, like, subscribe. Whoa, yeah. Just kidding. Please, 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 please comment down below what you guys want to see next. I actually have a lot more fun videos planned. I just haven't had the time because they're very time-consuming type videos, or like money-consuming type videos. So I'm just waiting a little bit for those videos. So just bear with me, please. I promise I have content. I just haven't been able to put it out there yet. Okay, guys, I just need to go to bed. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. Please make sure to like or subscribe if you like to see my videos. I know this one was a flop, but bear with me. I will have more videos coming out soon. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, and thank you so much for getting this far in the video. I am so proud of you. Peace out.